Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of showing your birth year to your mutually following accounts in X. By sharing your birth year, you can deepen the connection with those who follow you and whom you follow back. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, locate the account icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Give it a tap to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on the Profile option. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice your header picture. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the Options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 6. Inside the profile editing screen, locate your birthday information. Tap on it to access the birthday settings. Step 7. Within the birthday settings, you'll find the option to select the year. Tap on Year to choose the display of your birth year. Step 8. Select You Follow Each Other from the available options. This ensures that your birth year is visible only to the accounts you follow and who also follow you back. Step 9. Take a moment to review your changes and ensure that your birth year is set to be displayed to your mutually following accounts. Congratulations! You have successfully shown your birth year to your mutually following accounts in X. Your profile will now reflect your age, fostering a closer connection with those who follow you and whom you follow back. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to show your birth year to your mutually following accounts in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.